Hi guys. So this week I am going to demonstrate different levels of exercises to help people learn how to invert on the pole or flip upside down. When most people call and say, oh, I saw this on Instagram, it looks so easy, or I saw this on YouTube, or my friend does this in another state, some of pole is easy. All of it is fun, but when you start getting to the sport of pole, the gymnastics version, that is when you actually have to start breaking things down to the lowest level possible and building up into it. One of my first videos that I made, I said pole was like learning your ABCs. You learn your ABCs, then you learn to spell words, then you learn to write sentences, then you learn to write paragraphs. This demonstration is going to be just that. So you will get to see from the very beginning the exercises that my students go through at their own pace to increase strength, increase flexibility, and to be able to invert safely without pulling a shoulder blade or holding their breath or straining anything. So let's get started. Self-annihilation. Well, there you go. That is how much I would break a move down to teach it safely to my students, and how much work they actually put in to perfecting and accomplishing any of the pole moves that I give them. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment box below. If you are interested in studio, in-home, or online classes, feel free to reach out. I hope you guys have a great week, and if you have subscribed already, thank you very much. I appreciate it. See you next week.